I said it like really quiet. Should I say the same thing but louder?
Yeah, maybe. Now that you say something.
I'm so scared of these wasps.
You should get footage of them because you're like,
these are my neighbors.
you do not live here.
Please leave.
You do not live here.
Stop filming it. You're gonna piss it off.
He's like, I don't want to be on camera.
Stop filming that.
Okay.
You're making them mad.
Okay, let's start the house tour before.
Okay, before we get swarmed by bees.
I don't want to end up like.
Alright, so we can't handle the nature outside, so we're gonna start this from the inside. Hey guys, I am a homeowner now.
Yay!
So today we're gonna do a empty house tour so we can see it in its like natural state. Then I'm gonna make it nicer and we're gonna do this video like again, but like better. Right? Oh, it's also gonna be super echoey probably because everything is wood and there's obviously no furniture. It's an empty house tour, so sorry in advance about that. And sorry, Keisha's stomach is growling.
It was.
If you hear any animal noises, it's just Keisha. It's fine. All right, so we're gonna get started. We just walked in the front door.
It's such a look at this glamorous front door. You got
okay, but can we talk about this? What is that? Why?
Your curtains are supposed to go all the way down.
When you walk in, there's also the basement over here. But we are just gonna not even, nope.
She doesn't like the basement.
I'm terrified of basements. Don't film my face, please. One, I don't like basements. And two, that's just gonna be my boyfriend's space. He can have it for his like football stuff. Don't care.
Check out this state-of-the-art security system. Like literally, you don't get much safer than that.
Just be nice to the house.
Okay.
So when you walk in the front door, this is the home. Oh, yay. So this is gonna be like the living room area. I'm wanting to get an electric fireplace because I feel like this is like asking for a fireplace, right? Like, and when you live in Michigan, you need a fireplace. And then probably hang a TV up right here. So honestly, the only thing I don't love about the house is like this whole space is just kind of like awkwardly shaped. So put some couches, I think, here, and like float one over here, and we'll just call this like the living area. So obviously the wall color is just the worst. It's just boring. And so I'm gonna make everything like gray tones. I like everything gray, silver, white, black. So that's gonna be the goal for literally the whole house. So we're over here in the living space. If we do like a 180, call this like the dining space. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do here. We do have a table, but it's like small. So eventually, I don't know if it's like on my immediate radar or like my long-term radar, getting like a nice big table for here, but I think I'm gonna have to wait and see till when we move in to see how things actually fit. Over here we have the kitchen, which is, I actually love this kitchen. It needs like a little loving because we have this beautiful, amazing, giant stainless steel refrigerator. And then we have this really nasty old white stove with nicks in it, and it's just nah. And the dishwasher too is just not pretty. But everything else in the kitchen's really nice.
And the subway towel.
Oh, Keisha loves the subway towel.
It's very Chip and Joanna.
Yeah, it is a nice kitchen size, and I love that the cabinets are white. I love like the countertops, and you have the subway tile. I think
Doesn't cook anyway.
what did you say?
I said she doesn't cook anyway. She didn't hear that.
So I'm thinking I'm gonna probably like update the hardware on these just to make it like a little cuter. And over here, I don't really like these either. I think that the people who live here before didn't have any style preferences at all.
They probably didn't get HGTV.
What?
They didn't get HGTV.
No, they didn't get HGTV, and they probably don't have a Pinterest account. But no, we have a deck too, so this is really nice. Probably get like a table and like a grill for the summer.
for her to not cook on.
That's for Joey to cook
This
on.
is for Joey.
It's a man grill. The kitchen here, it's not so exciting, but we do have a powder room in here, which these need to be replaced in every bathroom. We don't need to, I don't know where this came from. And then over here we have the laundry room and the garage out the door. Okay, so that is the main floor. We will make our way up the stairs.
But you left out the best part. Like, look at the cathedral ceilings.
Oh yeah.
It makes the place look so big. My mom is a cathedral ceiling freak.
We can now go up the stairs. Like the stairs, like the hardwood. I don't know what this is about. This doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, but
It should have just been like
on nights that you're drunk, you're probably gonna want that extra security.
for every step. Like. So now we are upstairs. We have this little lofty area up here. I do have a electric piano, probably put up here. And other than that, I'm not really sure like if Joey wants a desk or I don't know what else was gonna go up here. We'll figure it out, I guess. We can make our way to the master bedroom because we saved the best for last. So this is the master bedroom. Big tall ceilings, I like that. I hate that light. I want a ceiling fan.
Yeah.
I like ceiling fans, so yes. Nice big closet over here. Not enough room for 2 people for sure. Like I probably couldn't even fit my stuff in here. Joey was like, I only need this one rack. I'm like,
That is so ridiculous. Men are so simple. He probably can fit all his shoes up there too.
no, it's a good sized closet. I'm just like over the top extra, but I'm gonna get rid of like most of my stuff, I think. So. All right, over here we have the bathroom, which is not so great. Here we're in the bathroom, and this situation, I just don't really like any of it. I would ideally like to rip this whole thing out and put like a whole new vanity. Have not officially decided what we're gonna do yet with it, but I just don't like the faucet. I don't like the counters. I would like to have more space. Like I would like to have drawers. You know, like I don't like that it's just cabinets.
You have a ton of shit.
I have a ton. Behind this door, which I don't like this placement either, we have the shower. I would like to get a new door. I think the door looks really dated. It reminds me of the door I have up north.
Oh, those are so HGTV words. Dated.
I should have my own show. Have to be on HGTV every Monday night at 8 p.m. It's like shower. I just don't like the door. I don't really like the, what's that thing called? Shower head.
Shower head.
And then a weird part about the bathroom, we're gonna do 180 over here. We got a beautiful big bathtub, but
There's a shower.
there's another shower head. It doesn't make any sense, but I don't know. I got 2 showers in 1 bathroom, so. Okay, wait, what? Why is this side silver and this side gold? What is this? I'm telling you, the people who lived here before are crazy.
You gotta show every door.
Why?
Oh, because I don't know.
I don't know either.
What is that?
It's just a closet.
Oh.
This room is the most exciting thing in the house for me. This is where you guys will be seeing me pretty much from now on. This is going to be my beauty room. For those of you who don't know, I live with my parents right now, so I actually like have my makeup and like all my filming stuff crammed in next to my bed, in a corner of my room. So I'm really excited to have like my own space to film and do all that kind of stuff. So yeah. And also, if you see any of my videos, then you know that I usually have my desk behind me when I film. But I really would like to get backdrops and stuff like that. So I think what I'm gonna do is put like my desk here. So on this side, if I do ever want to have like my desk behind me, I can still do that. But then we'll put some backdrops over here. And that way it'll be like cooler for makeup tutorials. There's another closet in here too that's actually pretty big. Not for that, it's a good size.
This should be Joey's closet.
I know, right? Honestly, I would say it would be Joey's closet if I didn't already like control everything else in this room. So this will be like my closet part 2.
She gets 2 closets. It's very Carrie and big of you. Oh, Sex
I had
and
2
City.
closets in my old house too because when Jordan moved out, I just like kept myself in both closets.
You're such a brat.
So bougie. Okay, and then there's another bathroom in here. Obviously, there's a lot more counter space in this bathroom.
Which is weird.
It's weird, right? Because this bedroom's smaller. You think I'd put like the nicer bathroom in like the nicer bedroom, but whatever. I think like I'll probably keep all my hair stuff and like my extra skincare stuff in here. Want to get new countertops probably and a new
Cause they love that faucet in this freaking house, didn't they?
Yeah.
But she's bougie, so she's gonna change it.
I'm bougie. Every time I'm like, I'm gonna get this, Joey's like, why? Like, cause it's nice. I'm not living in a trash house. But
Wait, is that one gold and silver too?
no.
Oh,
No,
at least they got that.
no. Oh, this one's gold and silver too. This is the first time I've ever noticed this.
What in the blue blazers is going on?
This is my furniture in my home because we needed a place to sit. Stylistic theme, looking for white old plastic and
Yeah.
folding chairs.
Foldable. Portable. Portable.
Portable. That's the word, portable.
Okay.
My brain just went. What do you say? All right, guys. So that's it. That's my new home.
What are you? What are you again?
What am I? I'm not anything.
You're
I know what
excited.
I was going to say there. All right, guys. So that is my empty house tour. I am really excited about it, and I'm excited to get it all decorated as it needs it. But yeah, we'll do like another whole tour when everything's done and moved in, and yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to see more, and I'll see you in my next one.
Bye.
Bye!